फोर्थ एडिशन ऑफ अमेजॉन संभव कंप्लीट हो गया है और बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट बातें उसमें डिस्कस हुई हैं, बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स पे बात की गई है जो कि इंडियन ई कॉमर्स के लिए बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है।
Welcome to Amazon Smbhav 2023. If you look at the last 10 years, this country has seen a massive transformation. The Indian economy has grown from $2 trillion to $3.75 trillion. Internet access has grown manyfold, from 3G to 4G, and now India is among the leading countries as it adopts 5G technology. With over 90 billion annual payment transactions on UPI, India now accounts for more than 50% of global instant payment transactions. Our Honorable Finance Minister has already announced that India will be launching the central bank digital currency, the e-rupee as it is called. Our nation's entrepreneurial spirit has soared with startups at every corner from the country coming up. And already, India is the third largest ecosystem for startups in the world. Let me tell you something which happened very recently, a month back. I was on the Chambal River, which is right between Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, with a friend who's into nature photography. And we were on a boat on the river, and my friend jokingly told the person sort of driving the boat, that I work with Amazon. And this person responded immediately. And he said, "Wow, sir, मैं और मेरे परिवार भी Amazon में shopping करते हैं. घर का सामान और gifts भी." And that is when it really struck me about the last 10 years. You know, this conversation reflects the real essence of our 10-year journey in India. Customer trust and familiarity with online shopping wasn't what it is today. Even sellers, and I know there are a lot of them in this room today, even sellers weren't exactly queuing up to join online businesses. And at Amazon, we knew that we had to give customers an experience that would convince them to shop online. And therefore, over the last 10 years, we've introduced a number of customer-focused innovations. Today, some of them are industry standards. Just think about easy returns and refunds, which is what Amazon introduced, and now it is an industry standard for online shopping. The good news is we are on track on all of them. We've already digitized over 62 lakh small businesses, up from 40 lakh last year. Through our global selling program, we have enabled nearly $8 billion in cumulative exports. And importantly, it took us close to 5 years for the first 5 billion. And then the next 3 billion will happen in less than 18 months. Recently, the Amazon CEO, Andy Jassy, met with our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, and announced that Amazon will be investing an additional $15 billion in India across all our businesses by 2030. These investments will be used to digitize small businesses and startups, create jobs, enable exports, and empower individuals and small businesses to compete globally. As Amazon Smbhav 2023 is underway, I would like to reiterate, Amazon's commitment to India is stronger than ever. We are truly excited by what lies ahead of us in India. The team at Smbhav has planned an exciting day with conversations and perspectives on how all of us together can contribute to India's progress in the 21st century. And seeing all of you in the room, I am convinced that together, anything is possible. Sab Sambhav hai. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.